Hello, culinary instructor here, Christopher Carey from Columbia College. Many of our students ask at times during their classes, what type of oil should I use when I'm going to grill a steak or when I'm going to make a vinaigrette? Well, that's a great question to ask because many different oils, we just have a few selections here. Each oil has its own characteristics. So for example, if we want a very neutral oil because we want the flavor of the accent ingredient to come through, say for a vinaigrette, we may use something like a vegetable oil. It's very neutral, and whatever ingredients we add into the vegetable oil will shine through. But there are times when we want to have the oil actually be the main accent of the dish. So we may go and use something like an extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil typically is a non-cooking oil. So it is oil that is put on after it has been cooked or the ingredient has been cooked, or we make a vinaigrette. The reason for this is that extra virgin olive oil has a low smoke point. Low smoke point means that it burns very easily versus the vegetable oil, which has a higher smoke point, which means we can use it to saute or to grill or to roast. Whereas the extra virgin olive oil is the exact opposite. It burns very easily. It gets a very acid taste in your mouth and bitter taste in your mouth. We don't want that. We can also go somewhere in between. So a regular olive oil is between the two. This could be used for cooking. This could be used as an ingredient in a vinaigrette. So it always depends on what is your recipe and how are you going to use the oil to be able to bring out the best flavor.